Hello everyone. So I'm coming to you today. I'm going to do a commissioned pour, and they wanted it to be the same colors as one of my previous coasters that I made. Just wanted it to be some of those same colors. So the colors, I have a lot of colors. All of the colors are Craft Smart, and the only color that's not Craft Smart is the Decoart 24 karat gold. I will be listing the colors in the video. So the first one I'm going to put down is going to be gold. I'm not going to do too much of that gold. It just had a little bit in it. And so that's why. But now I'm going to do all of these colors. And so this is just a purple. I don't know the exact name. It is Craft Smart. I will have to go back and see if I have it. These are my original colors that I mixed up when I first started doing it, and I didn't know any better, you guys, so I didn't write down what colors they were. So I have to go back to see if I still have the bottle for these colors, and I think I've just put too much of that purple on there. And then this is the Craft Smart Pink, and this is a metallic. This is a yellow. I don't know how these are going to come out because I did mine in a different design when I did it, and they wanted it in this design, so we'll see how this comes out. I think this one has something stuck in it. Maybe some dried paint. It's not coming out that good. I think there's something in there. Didn't want to take the time to clean it, but maybe I need to. So I don't think this is going to come out right. I had something else on the end of the stick, so I don't want to get that in the paint. So I'm just trying to get some out of there, even though I'm messing up. I'm wasting stuff all over the place. Okay. That's just going to have to work for that one until I can clean it. And then this is a, used too much paint just now. Almost looks like a purplish blue. Not for sure. Try to blow it out before my video stops. I have no idea once this video is going to stop. Let me try to go ahead and blow it out. Okay, so I'll just have to bring you down so you can see how it turns out. Because when you blow it too much, it starts to make the colors fade. So I didn't want to blow it too much. So we'll see what happened. I think I might have used a little bit too much paint. Okay, everyone. I wanted to let you see them, bring you down for you to see them. This one, I'm not going to mess with. I like that one, and I'm not going to mess with it. But this is a commission pour, and I forgot. She really wants it light. And I think that I've put too much paint on there. And I didn't use that white cell activator. I had it and forgot to use it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and redo these. These three right here, I'm going to redo and see how these come out. This one, I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave that one just as it is because it looks like it has some, it's very light. It's more light and has like the white on top of it a little bit. So I'm going to leave that one. But I am going to let you see. So I'm going to redo this, redo it and record when I redo it. Okay? I'll be right back. Okay, everyone. Like I was saying, I'm going to redo these three here. Okay, because it's not light enough for me. I'm going to just try to go back over them and see what happened. Hopefully my video does not cut off. Oh, I forgot about that color that's not coming out. Uh-oh, I almost hit that one. You saw that? I almost redid that one and what didn't mean to. You're so used to going that way. You don't realize what you're doing. And I'm so heavy-handed, y'all. I don't know why I can't do it without putting all that paint on there. The light color is what I should be putting a lot of instead of that dark color. Now this one is the problem because I can't really get it out of there. And hopefully nothing got on my stick. Not getting enough paint. All right. It's titanium white. She wants it to be light, so hopefully this will brighten it up. All right, let's try this again. I think I'm gonna leave that one just as it is. Hold on. Had some extra paint, so. Hopefully this is a little brighter. To tell you the truth, guys, I don't know if I made it any brighter or not. I'm sitting here looking at it, and I just don't know. And it looks like something is in one of my paint, one of the paints. And I hate to dig it out, but I have to. So give me just a second and I'll bring you down. Okay, you guys, I redid them and I'm happier with these. I think that these came out better than the first ones. I just love how the sails, are in there. And I blew on them a little bit to try to get the sails to enlarge. Some of those went a little, whoppy, kind of big, but I wanted it to be, more sails than. Now this one is the one that I did not redo. I was happy with that first one that was done. But these, I think that the second go round was much better than the first go round. And tell me what you think. Leave comments saying, whether I should have left it alone, whether the first go round was better than the second go round. I would love to hear your comments and what you think. I just like this one. And I'm so sorry, you guys. I apologize. I forgot not to turn my camera this way because it makes the video smaller.